Lip gloss on my lips when I dip the whip. I'm kinda like a player. Lip gloss on my lips when I dip the whip. A little something for you haters. Lip gloss on my lips when I dip the whip. Be my girl, be shine. Lip gloss on my lips when I dip the whip.
What's good? It's your girl Cherish, 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 A, Cherish, 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 A. Ain't no stopping when you poppin', and I'm back with another video. So today, honey, I'm gonna be doing full glam, like hair, face, all of that. I'm gonna go out tonight, and yeah. So first, I'm gonna start with this hair, and then I'm gonna show y'all all the makeup I used, and then I'm gonna do these damn brows. And I'm on my little lady friend, so my face breaking out, so I'm gonna have to do the most to cover this shit up. It is shit. This is devastating. Like, why she gotta do that? She always come. Hate her. Anyways, so I'm gonna do something with this right here. And my hair is like, I ain't been taking care of my hair. I've been going to work, just ponytail after ponytail. And it's dry, it's super dry, like help. So, maybe I might do some box braids or something. Something simple. Maybe some jumbo box braids, I don't know. Something. Help me. Thank you. So, we'll see.
So, out of being lazy, I had my mom part my hair because I really didn't feel like doing it. So, she's just gonna part my little nappy hair, and she's gonna braid them so they can be sectioned off.
Okay, so this is the look. My mom, she never do box braids. She don't even know how to do them, but she parted it for me. So we'll do some jumbo box braids. All right, so I'm gonna use some Black Panther and my famous jam, and we're gonna see what it does.
All right, so I usually start from the back. I braided it like a little bit, and then I start putting hair in the back of the braid, so you really can't see how I'm camouflaging it. So after that, I just do feed in. I just keep adding hair after hair to make it look a little thicker. And as you can see, I'm just adding hair to make it thicker. Now when you're doing this, you don't want to put too much hair because it'll look all bulky and bigger than when it started. So the ends will start getting really thick, and then it'll be too much. So just add little pieces at a time. And I put it in my mouth because it's super long and it's easier for me to do it that way. So now I'm on the sides, and that's how I leave my baby hairs out. And I just do the same process over and over. So I'll start from the root of the hair, and then I will braid it a little bit and then add the hair on it. So my hair was super dry. But yeah. So now I'm gonna start adding the pieces of hair. So I separated in 3 parts, and then I braid it just a little bit, and then that's when I add the hair to the back of the braid. Now I put it in real time just to show you guys how I actually get the pieces of hair on there. And as you can see, I just keep adding little pieces after piece, and that's how it's done. She is coming together, so I'm going to have to put these lashes on after I get off the phone. These little minks. Alright, so now I'm just going to start with my eyebrows. I put concealer, and I use the eyebrow, a brown color, not a black color. Black, I'll be looking crazy. But yeah, I use the brown color, and then I'm just going to make sure that they are straight. And after that, I'm going to blend it in. Okay, so after my eyebrows, I put concealer on. And then I make sure I blend it all together. And I was having a hard time covering those bumps. Those dang period bumps. But it's okay. It's okay. She's still cute and she's still coming together. Now, sis, don't come for me. Yes, I'm using the thing for my eyebrows because I ran out of lip liner, but it's still gonna be cute, so don't even worry about it. I really hate how pink my lips are, so I try to make them as dark as possible. Now this baby right here is my lip plumper. It kind of burns a little bit, like tingle, not burn, but tingle, and it makes my lips really pop. So I do that. I put that on first, and then I put lip gloss on top of it. Now I'm just using my highlighter and I'm just gonna use it on both sides and then just blend it in afterwards. And I like to use my highlighter on top of my eyeshadow. It just makes it look like a glittery look, and I really like that. Now I'm finna get my finishing spray, and I'm finna just spray my whole face.
What we do here is go back.
And I had actually sprayed a little too much, so I gotta just blend it a little bit. But it's okay, she's still popping, she's still cute, and she is ready. Now I had forgot to put my finishing powder on, so I'm just gonna put it on right now. Don't trip, it's gonna be cute. And I like to use my big brush to kind of like get it all over. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Now, I don't know if y'all ever recorded yourself and tried to do makeup, but it's really fucking hard. It's not that easy, and I find myself looking into the camera. Okay, so I'm gonna use these palettes. Probably start with a light one and then use a dark one. And then, like I said, I like to put my highlighter on top of my palette. Eyeshadow, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Of course, my kids keep coming in the bathroom trying to talk to me. They won't let me be great. So anyways, yeah, I'm still adding colors because it wasn't really coming off too dark, as dark as I wanted it to be. So right now I'm just putting the highlighter on, making sure it's blended well. Okay, so I am done. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will catch you on the next video. Peace.